Dunkin' Donuts.
I'm not really a fan. We picked up some Krispy Kremes. Ooh, look at those. Hey, hey, hey. Little Thunder from Down Under action for Neil. Neon Vacation is at the airport right now.
Where is he coming from?
Minnesota.
Oh, okay.
We're super excited to see Neon Vacation.
Isn't Dr. Hamilton also from Minnesota?
He is. Dr. Hamilton was out here a couple weeks ago.
Oh, John Ferreira said he can't make it.
Oh, bummer. Buffalo! That's my favorite. I love the Planet Moolah. Golden Gong. I want to try that. Timberwolf Gold. Ooh, I like Wild Chuco. with Steve D and Miss Daisy. Hello. We want to thank Steve D for helping me out with my luggage today, because you know I don't travel light. We are at the beautiful Excalibur tonight. Yeah, here you can. But it's okay. They'll know once I start live streaming. Elbows. That is why I had to go to the front desk. Hello. I'm sorry, I probably look absolutely horrible. I'm gonna look in the mirror and be like, ooh, that's probably gonna get edited out. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Copyright strike for her hair.
For what?
Get a copyright strike for your hair. Just kidding though. Just kidding.
Oh my god, I worked on my hair for hours today. That's why I worked so late getting out.
Stunning elevator.
I know, she doesn't like the elevators. Do I need a key to get down?
No.
Okay.
You have it? You have a key? Oh, you're in your backpack, right?
Alright. Nice. Thank you, Steve. Oh. We started off at the resort tower. This is the Royal Tower. This is where... No, this isn't where your dog park is. Whew. We can breathe. Hello, folks. This is your Uber rideshare pickup area right here, folks. So, yeah. Oh my god, we totally reuse them. Do you guys reuse your towel in the shower or not? Leave me a comment down below. I remember when I didn't. When I was younger, I'd wash them all the time. I was like, why the hell am I doing all that laundry? Wasting all that water. I'm getting out of the shower. I'm clean, for God's sakes. Why can't I reuse the towel? That seems kind of silly, but whatever. Go to Shang and have fun. We're going to Shang on, I don't know what day, but we're going with Michele and Kia. Yeah, with the noodle show. Yeah, I really want to go there. Actually, I've been there once, but we didn't go there when they weren't open yet. It was in March, and they were locked for, or only to go. Bye, Steve. Everybody say goodbye. Thank you, Steve D, for helping us. We will.
Now, what drink would you get me?
Mayan,